How to check speed of internet on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. Once you're here, go to the search bar at the bottom. Then, go to fast.com. This site uses a streamlined, user-friendly approach to measure your internet connection speed. It provides simple, accurate results to help users quickly assess their download speed and troubleshoot issues, working on mobile and broadband connections globally without requiring installation or subscriptions. After checking your internet speed, tap on Show More Info. Over here, you can check the latency and upload speed of your internet as well. Following these steps, you can easily check speed of internet on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.